Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, a ban for a slow overrate means captain Jason Holder won't be able to lead the Windies on the field as they seek their first series whitewash in over 30 years. But he has promised to be in the dressing room motivating his charges when the third test against England bowls off in St. Lucia tomorrow. As the Windies prepare to try to sweep their three-match series against England, they're having to do so without their inspirational leader Jason Holder, who is serving a ban for the final match which bowls off tomorrow. But while Cricket West Indies president Dave Cameron has called for a reworking of the rules, Holder was far more diplomatic in his response.
Yeah, very frustrating. Yeah, I mean, the rules are there. We all know the rules as well, you know. Even although some things you may not be in agreement with the rules, such as that, I guess everybody would be of the same opinion that if a game finishes early or 2 days early, it's hard to penalize someone, you know, because you practically argue that you can make the overs back up. But, you know, having said that, you know, we knew where we were during the entire game, and credit to the umpires. I felt that they handled the game, you know, quite well. We knew that we were behind and we needed to make up, and we didn't make up in the end. But again, I guess that's debatable from all different angles. Something that I really personally don't want to get into, but very frustrating not to be playing. But I'll be there with the boys to help them along as much as I possibly can from within the dressing room.
The Windies will likely turn to either the extra pace of uncapped Jamaican O'Shane Thomas or Guyanese all-rounder Keema Paul to replace Holder in the squad, which will be led by Craig Brathwaite in Holder's absence. Meanwhile, England have continued to chop and change as opener Keaton Jennings has been recalled to their 12-man squad, while Johnny Bairstow will keep wicket, even though regular wicketkeeper Ben Foakes has been past fit. And there is also a concern over the fitness of all-rounder Ben Stokes, who is battling a bruised heel. Their captain, Joe Root, says it's now all about the team trying to find ways to recoup after losing the first two test matches convincingly.
One of the overriding messages is that we have done some very special things in the last couple of months. You know, we said we're going to do things differently this winter. We've gone to Sri Lanka, seen a huge amount of success, and it's not quite worked for us here. But as a side, we've got to remember that development and that improvement since the start of the summer, big achievement beating India at home and then going away and winning 3-0. Very easy to look at two performances and think that we're, you know, bottom of the pile again, and we've got to pick ourselves up off the canvas and come here and put in a really strong performance. And you know, there is an Ashes round the corner. That should be a great motivator in itself for guys to go out and really put in strong performances.
Day one of the third test bowls off at 9 a.m. tomorrow Jamaica time.